tastes like the sour stuff that we just had in the other candy, but like mixed with water and like blended. What is up, my beautiful Marmars? I'm a Marmar, you're a Marmar, and welcome to MarMarKidsClub. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Lucy.
And today we're gonna be trying Mexican candy.
Woo! This is the first video where we're trying candy from all over the world. So have you guys ever had Mexican candy before?
Kinda. I haven't.
Kinda. I don't know what to expect either, so let's just get to it.
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
I don't know what to expect either. I've had some when I was little, I'm gonna be honest. But I don't know, they could be different now.
I think I tried this before.
You tried this one before?
Rebel Loco.
Revolcado.
Oh, it's chili covered.
Oh no.
Oh,
no. I think the stick also has like that chili on it too. Okay. Okay.
It smells spicy.
I know. It looks like a mango though, so I feel like the mango would be sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know. I think
don't
it'll
know.
be like in the middle.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my gosh. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You two then. Alright, I'll open it. I'll open it too. Does it smell weird? Yeah, it does smell kind of weird.
It tastes horrible.
Tastes like a
It's
chili.
spicy.
It's spicy. Do you need water? Okay.
No, I don't need water.
It's a mango covered in chili.
Yeah, it's mango. Kind of addicting though after a while. It's like hot, so you're like, it hurts, but it kind of tastes okay.
I guess it's okay.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
It tastes good now? Whoa, it changed in like a second. We all hated it. It's not bad. I can eat this. It's kind of weird the stick has like the chili on it too, but it's definitely spicy.
This tastes salty.
Like you don't expect from a candy because you think candy's like sweet, delicious, not spicy.
I think the inside is all sweet and then it's like covered in chilies on the outside. That's why it's spicy.
Yeah. What would you guys rate this on a Mexican candy scale out of 10?
3.
A 3. Okay, 3. What do you think?
4.5.
I'll give it a 4. Our next candy's coming out. Are you excited? I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. That one was spicy. What if the next one's like sour? Okay, let's do this.
Oh, it's better than the other two.
Yeah, I know. Me too. I don't know what this one is. This one kind of looks like Rice Krispie though, huh?
It's like Italy. Italy flag.
Yeah. How do we open this? Whoa, whoa. She's already got it for the
Oh, it
test.
smells
It's
like.
like coconut.
Oh, it's like the coconut Girl Scout cookies. It smells like that.
It does smell like that.
Mm.
You like this one? Jeez, she's like eating all of it already.
Good.
It's good? I don't know if I like coconut that much, honestly. It doesn't taste like that. I think I'm just not a fan of coconut. Lucy almost ate all of hers already. You rate this one on a high level?
10.
A 10? Wow, this is amazing. Wait, what would you rate this
I'll give it
one?
like an 8. It's pretty good.
What? I give this one a 0. No, coconut for me. Oh my gosh. See, this is why. We all have different taste buds, guys. We all taste things differently. He's still eating it.
I only ate the good part.
Okay, but still, that's amazing. Okay, on to the next candy. Marzipan? You guys know what marzipan is?
It's like peanut butter.
It does taste like peanut butter. It's good.
Really? Okay, let me try it. It's really crumbly.
It tastes like the PED bugs that you get from the store.
It's kind of like kinetic sand though. Look at it. It's so sandy. Okay, here we go. Wait. Yeah, it tastes exactly like peanut butter. Powdered peanut butter.
Oh my god, I can't even figure that.
Wait. That's good? What would you rate this one?
Give it a 10.
What about you? You don't want to eat the next one because this one tasted good?
Yeah.
Okay, Mexican candy. Do your worst. I'm excited. What do you think we got?
Another lollipop.
Uh-oh.
Oh dang it, it's covered in chili again.
Is it?
No.
No. It's pica. I think pica's spicy. It looks spicy.
Is it sour?
It's
Wait,
salty.
let's all
No,
try the
it's really
sticks.
salty.
Get down to try the
Try the
sticks.
stick. It's really salty.
Okay, so the 6 isn't spicy, right? You want to say the 6 is spicy? Alright.
I like it actually.
Just like the other one.
Whoa, Lucy like ate her whole thing already. There's like no more on that one. Oh, mine's kind of broken.
Oh, I took a bite of it. It's all sweet on the inside.
What?
It's all watermelon on the inside.
All watermelon?
It's good.
Oh. I'm gonna try. Ah, it's still spicy. Oh, it is sweet on the inside. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. It's good.
It's like watermelon.
What would you rate this one out of?
8.
You'd give this an 8? Even though you said you don't like it?
I don't like the outside.
Do you like the inside?
Inside's good.
Okay. What do you think?
6.
And kind of spicy. If you like spicy, here's the lollipops for you. But the inside is like sweet, so if you like sweet too, sweet and spicy, that's what the combination is. I don't want to bite it. I'm scared to hurt my teeth. Oh. Are you okay?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, jeez, you took a giant bite of his watermelon.
I didn't take off that
Oh my god, that scared me because it was so big.
On to the next one.
What is this?
Is this sauce?
This is a spoon? I don't know.
I don't want to try this now. It looks so
It's like a ghost.
It looks gross.
Why is it on a spoon?
It's a rubber band.
Okay.
This better not be.
What? No, nothing here is bugs for sure. But this is. Whoa, you're just trying it. She's just so adventurous. What does it taste like?
Happy.
Taffy? Jeez, he's going all in. Look at this. Dylan's the man. Oh my goodness. How do you do that? I'm still stuck in my spoon. I mean, it's not that bad. Wait, is it good or bad?
The aftertaste is pretty bad.
Okay, so you like the beginning taste.
Yeah, but it
Mexican candy is so sneaky. It always does that, right? It's like so good in the beginning. You're right. It does look kind of weird. We're gonna go to the next candy. Okay, here we go, guys. Next candy. What? Whoa, what is this one?
Oh, it's like the popping cooking.
Popping
Looks like-
cooking?
Yeah, it's this little spatula.
Oh, this little spatula. Yeah, I love popping cooking.
Actually, that's chocolate and that's vanilla.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty, huh?
It's gonna taste like chocolate mixed with vanilla.
Chocolate mixed with vanilla. Okay, like pudding then? Would you say pudding? What do you think it's gonna taste like? Nutella?
Yeah.
Nutella. Okay, let's try it. All right, so
Really good.
you like this one?
It smells like Nutella.
Yeah, it smells like Nutella. Yeah, I can eat this.
I can eat this!
Yeah.
I can eat this.
Yes, we can definitely eat this. Oh my god! I turned around for a second, then I turned back and it's gone. What the heck?
It's breakfast.
This happens every time, Dylan. You like yours? What would you rate it?
10.
10? Alright, what'd you rate this, Dylan?
10.
Since you killed it? Yeah, it had to be a 10. I'd probably give this an 8. It's good. It's delicious.
On to
The next.
Candy.
Nobody peek.
Oh.
What? Let me see. Let me see if we can look yet.
It looks so good.
Okay, wait, what? Okay, let's look. Ready?
Alright,
One, two.
look.
1, 2, 3, look.
Hot
What?
Cheetos.
Salsa-getti. This is what this one
Oh,
is.
it's like spaghetti but salsa.
It
Salsa-getti.
says it tastes like a watermelon. It looks like it.
Oh, wait, whoa, she's already going in for the taste. Let's see. What does it taste like?
The mall.
The mall?
It's not even good.
It tastes like the mall?
What's the taste?
You've tried the mall before? What does that mean?
It just tastes like the mall smells like.
What does that mean? The mall smells like Mexican candy? Wait, guys, there's a sauce for your salsa-getti. Here, look.
Oh.
Here, look, we can sauce it
It's
up.
so spicy.
It's spicy? So this is like our spaghetti, and I guess this is like the spaghetti sauce we put on top of it. Whoa, 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 this is juicing out. This is going hard. I'm just gonna put some sauce on mine right here.
Let's see what the sauce tastes.
This is interesting. It looks kind of like gravy. What does the sauce taste
It
like?
tastes like the sour stuff that we just had in the other candy, but like mixed with water and like blended.
What?
Yeah.
Ew.
Pretty good though.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's all releases out. What's the sauce taste like?
Water mixed with the candy.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, so it's the same description, and I will taste it and make sure it's accurate. Yep, they're right. It tastes like water mixed with the candies we just had. Okay, oh, Dylan's trying it. What do you think? Hot Cheetos?
No, it's not hot.
Not hot Cheetos?
It's
Is
good.
it good though?
Tastes like green apple.
Tastes like green apple. I'm
Sour
confused.
green apple.
So wait, is it good or spicy, Lucy? Because now you're just eating like whole things.
It's
of
not
it.
spicy, but the sauce is spicy.
That.
It's like spicy spaghetti. It is like salsa-getti, but the sauce is weird.
The aftertaste is bad.
I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I'm a fan. I don't want it. You guys are just drinking water. You're good? What? For the Marmars. I'm gonna try some salsa-getti. Here we go. I like the smell of it. I smell it weird. What'd you guys rate this one out of? Negative a million? Okay, what did you say?
3.
3? Okay, I'd give this one a 4, salsa-getti. I mean, it's weird to think about spaghetti and then it's like spicy and gummy. And then the sauce is kind of weird because it's like the other candy but mixed with water.
The noodles are pretty good, but the sauce is like.
The sauce is horrible. Don't try the sauce if you get it.
Ugh, I don't know. But we all have different taste buds, so I don't know.
Don't get it, period.
Okay. Alright guys, since that was your first time having Mexican candy, what would you tell the Marmars out there for Mexican candy? What's your best advice for Mexican candy?
Don't buy the ones that look spicy. They're really spicy.
What about you, Dylan?
Stick with the American candy.
Most favorite Mexican candy to see?
The peanut butter one.
Peanut butter one? Okay, what's your favorite?
That chocolate and vanilla one.
I think I like the watermelon one, right? Like when I bit it, it was like sweet. I like that.
Thank you guys so much for watching MarMarKidsClub. Please subscribe for more videos and we'll see you next time. Peace!